mean, speaking of tools, I mean, what tool do you use that you would not be able to run your business without today?
Oh my God, Calendly. All of our schedules are done on our website through Calendly. Automatically sending out email notifications or an email invites with the right,
Hmm.
the little Hangout set up. Automatically, I have every single day pretty much packed with client calls or investor calls and things of that nature. Obviously, we use our own product. If you take a look at our calendar, we use it pretty extensively in terms of last month you can see we've been promoting our crowdfunding campaign where people can invest in the company for as low as $100, and so we've been talking about the benefits of doing that. We also, I would say, we use Zoom a lot. We use
Hmm.
something called StreamYard for all our content for the podcast, or the show called Content Masters. I also want to say we use Facebook groups in a very unique way to actually talk to our customers. Of course, anyone who's in your audience can join our Facebook group and talk to us directly about what is working, what isn't working, what features should be added. It's our own private community of obviously passionate individuals who are telling us what they want, and we build it for them. So
Hmm.
Facebook groups have been very helpful as well. Of course, I have the Stripe app directly on my phone. I have the Zendesk app directly on my phone as well. So as soon as I get tickets, I get the notification here. I respond immediately. As soon as I get a sale or a sale comes through, I get a notification here as well. WordPress is really great, and WooCommerce is really great for getting all of your financial back end transactions done. There are, of course, different hacks we can talk about, perhaps another time. But making sure that you are using a tool like WordPress to build out your business. Don't do anything custom entirely from the ground up. WordPress is standalone. It's out of the box. It has the plugins. It has WooCommerce to get your business off the road. I would say we spent maybe a couple $100s on the landing page for the lifetime deal, where we're giving the product literally away for $49 for lifetime. We spent a couple $100s and we've made well over, I would say, $23,000 on that. And that was because it was a WordPress page. The plugins were available. We had to do very little in customization, and we were off to your races.